Hey girl, come here. Who, me? Yes, you. Come here. Oh, what you want to know? I hope you have something good to tell me. All of the people on YouTube, make sure you watch this. Rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure you watch it now.
Alright, have a good day today, you hear, sir? Alright.
Thank you very much. $5,000, Papi.
1 minute. How much?
$5,000, Papi.
1 minute. Lock it back. Mr. P, lock it back.
Miss Jennifer?
Sir!
Look like I leave my wallet and my keys in my bedroom. So, open my grill, let me come on.
I am not going to be able to do that, sir.
What?
I can't let you in, sir. I got strict orders.
Strict orders. Very good, Mrs. Jennifer, very good. Anyway, well, baby, I need to come on. I don't want to be late. So I want to get my wallet, my credit cards, and my car keys and stuff.
Mr. Sir, I am going to ask you to leave the premises now, sir. Please.
Leave it. You have sense?
Sunday, you think me I fail this test yet today? Leave right now, or else.
You want to lose my flipping temper, you know, man, and do something I may regret. What look at them coming right now, man?
You look like you're fully deaf or you're slightly hard of hearing. Come there, yeah? Don't move, come there.
What man?
What man?
Yeah.
What man? Okay.
Yeah.
And then how do I say how are you?
How you do?
How you do?
How you do?
How you do?
Yeah.
How you do?
Right.
What man? How you do?
Yeah. So me say, me alright man.
Me alright man. And you want to ask it back? What you have like a?
Say, how about you? What about you?
What about you?
What about you? Say,
What about you?
Yeah.
All right. Now how about the cordial stuff? Like please, thank you, welcome. How do I say those? How do I say I would like? I would like beer, please.
Me want one beer.
Me want?
Me want one beer.
Me want one beer.
Yeah. I want a beer.
So there's no please involved?
No.
You just say me want one beer.
You just say, me want one beer.
Okay, and then after you get a beer, would you say thank you?
You say, thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah.
With a T, thanks?
Thanks.
Thanks. Thanks. Okay. If I say thank you, what will they say back to me?
You say, you alright man.
You alright, man?
Thanks too.
Then how do I say how much?
How much?
How much?
How much?
How?
How much for this?
How much?
How much for this?
How much for this?
Yeah.
How do I say just leave me alone?
You say, go along where you left me. Go along where you left me.
Galan?
Yeah, go along and left
Galan
me.
where you left me.
Go along left me.
Galan wet. Galan left me.
Yeah.
Maybe I've had a few beers. I need to use the restroom. How do I say where's the bathroom?
Where bathroom there?
Where bathroom there?
Where bathroom there?
What does the day part mean?
Where it is.
Day.
But we
Okay.
said there. Where there?
Where bathroom day?
Yeah.
How do I say where are you going?
Where y'all go?
Where y'all go?
Where y'all go?
Where y'all go?
Yeah.
Where y'all go?
I said, Rexy, where y'all go?
Rexy, where y'all go? How do we say goodbye? In a Jamaican way.
I said, me gone, you know.
Me gone?
Me gone. Me gone, you know.
Me gone in there.
Yeah.
So Rexy, thank you for giving me some patois lessons. I feel like I can actually get around Jamaica now and understand what's going on.
Yeah, man. Cheers. Let's go see Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Louis Bennett, they said that to the world, you know what I mean, patois. So it's not a thing whereby I want for shame of speak, no care the race or the type of person you is or no matter the country, you know what I mean. And them things they only show that Jamaica are the best internationally, you know what I mean. So a patois to the world, beloved, you know what I mean, no racism.
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you? We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. Put a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love a curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And Well, I mean, I use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup, and my mother used to make hog food, but since we live abroad, I don't get that no more. I love any kind of Jamaican food. The favorite thing about Jamaica, the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people are the warmest, kind-hearted people in the whole world. You can meet anybody on the street, just chat to them, and they talk to you. They don't really care who you are, where you come from, what you look like. And well, I mean, I know everything in Jamaica nice. I miss Jamaica, because I used to live there, and I live there no more, but I love Jamaica.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Well, my favorite reggae artist from a long time ago, Yellow Man. I remember Yellow Man when he was big in the 80s when we used to live. Nobody, no reggae artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. Once he go up on the stage, he mix it up with all in lyrics and in different styles. Blueberry Hill, Zungo Zungo Zuzin, whatever that one they call me, can't even pronounce it.
A bit warmer compared to yesterday's 92 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey everybody, what's going on? What a guan? Wagwan. Wagwan. Wagwan means what's going on or what's happening. For example, Wagwan star, how you do? Or this look fishy still. Wagwan yaso. Next word, where you are say or where ya say. Where you are say. Where ya say. The expressions where ya say or where ya say can literally mean what are you saying, or it can actually mean how are you doing. For instance, hey man, where ya say, or a lie you a tell, me no believe that, where you say to me. The next word, where you depend, where you depend means what are you doing, what are you up to. For instance, me go run some ball you know, where you depend. This is the expression where you are deal with or where you are deal with, where you are deal with, where you are deal with. Like where you depend, where you are deal with mean what are you doing or what are you up to. For instance, me no like the vibes in a star, where you deal with. Wap'n. Very common. Wap'n means what's happening, or it can mean what happened, like in the past. For instance, what happened to you now? Why you make up your face so? Or, I can't believe me just missed something on TV. It's what a while ago. What up? What up? Very simple one. What up means what's up. For instance, what up my dupes? Long time we no roll. Next word, yo. Yo is a very common expression that we use here in Jamaica to kind of greet each other. It simply means like hi. But thing is, sometimes yo is used with another greeting expression. Example, yo, where I say. Yo can actually also be used like an exclamation, like hey, also with a greeting expression, but really not in a greeting context. For instance, yo, wagwan yaso. Next word, how you stay. How you stay. How you stay means how are you, but it could actually mean how are you in 3 different ways. Health-wise, from an economic standpoint, or in terms of what mood you're in. For example, how you stay? I the best this me ever feel in a long time. Or, how you stay? Boy, me dry now, me not have no money. Or, so tell me, how you stay? A good man, stop for a long time. Respect. Stems from the Rasta influence in our culture. Respect basically means like hi, but very respectfully. So when somebody says respect, it's supposed to be taken on a deeper level. For example, greetings youth, respect. Or, alright me down, yeah push off you now, so respect. See?
Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Take care.